Good luck to everybody in this break. All right, let's get started here. Again, this is the Ben Baller Hobby Box. So good luck to everybody in this one. There's no guaranteed autos in here, but we will have some numbered parallels. So we'll do a guess for 20 in credit. If you guys guess the last player on the last numbered parallel in the break, you'll get 20 in credit. We're going to have 4 cards per pack, 24 packs per box. Make sure you get your guesses in. Again, you do not have to be in the break to make a guess. Just make sure you guess a different player than someone else above you in the chat. Good luck to everybody. We should have a pretty fun night of breaks here. A good variety of different ones. And again, we will be back on Wednesday, 10 p.m. Eastern. We do have a few spots for Wednesday's breaks. There's a link in the chat for that. And then we also have spots for Thursday's breaks as well. And then we'll be getting Sundays out soon. But we got a lot of breaks getting full and about full, so. Oops, sorry, I pinned the wrong message there. There we go. All right, here we go, guys. Break number 1. Again, guess the player on the last numbered parallel in this break for 20 in credit. We've had some good success with this Ben Baller. Hopefully that trend continues here. Our first pack, we got Rhys Hoskins. There's Tapia for Colorado. Ryu for Toronto and Patrick Wisdom. Our next pack. We have Chris Bryant for the Giants. Then there's Chas McCormick, rookie for Houston. John Lester and Alec Boehm. Yadier Molina, Clayton Kershaw, Jackson Kowar, rookie, and Anthony Rendon for the Angels. We got Shane Baz, rookie for Toronto. Jose Siri, rookie for Houston. We have Tyler Glass now. That's going to Tampa. And a Luis Robert for the White Sox. Jack Flaherty for the Cardinals, Wilson Contreras for the Cubs, Matt Chapman for the A's, and JD Martinez for Boston. Get your guesses in for the player on the last numbered parallel in this break. We're going to have Luis Gil. Here's our diamond. The I cut here, that's going to be Julio Rodriguez going to the Seattle spot. That is going to be numbered out of 99, 11 out of 99 on the Julio diamond. Congrats to Seattle on that one. Hopefully that's a sign of more big things to come here. And then we got the Mike Trout riding low. That'll be the base riding low. That's going to the Angels. And Javier Baez going to Detroit. Our next pack. Our next break will be the Stadium Club 22 PYT 6. That'll be up next. There's Shohei Ohtani, Corey Seager, And we got our first numbered parallel. We'll say that here. DJ LeMahieu. And that's going to be Pavin Smith for the Diamondbacks. That is going to be out of 50, 38 out of 50 on the gold, Pavin Smith. That will go to the Diamondbacks. And if anybody's looking to hop in a break tonight, we do have spots left in our 2021 Prism Football Hobby Box PYT number 5. There's Brandon Lowe, Jorge Soler, rookie Trey Ambergi for Cincinnati, and Jermaine Marquez for the Rockies. Aaron Ashby, rookie for the Brewers. Steven Strasburg, looks like we got a green coming up. There's Buster Posey. And our green is going to go Cleveland. It is Tristan McKenzie on the green. Oops, that's the 99. That'll be 76 out of 99 on the Tristan McKenzie. There's Xander Bogaerts for Boston. Tyler McGill, rookie for the Mets. Zach Greinke, Kyle Seager. Get your guesses in for the player on the last numbered parallel, guys. You do not have to be in the break to make a guess. Nico Horner, Starling Marte, Carlos Correa, Joey Votto. If you guys are new with us, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on those notifications so you know when we go live. There's Tyler Stevenson for Cincy. Then we have Gavin Sheets on the 1987 insert, Joe Adell, and Max Muncy. Lucas Giolito for the White Sox. We got another green coming up. There's Sammy Long, rookie for San Fran. And Ronzi Contreras, rookie for Pittsburgh, in our green. It's going to be for Houston. It's Zach Greinke. Again, that'll be to 99, 58 out of 99. So we hit 1 out of 50, and then we had 3 so far out of 99. 2 greens and the diamond insert, Julio Rodriguez. Still got quite a few packs left here. Get your guesses in for that player on that last numbered parallel. There's Sean Manaea for Oakland. Mike Moustakas, Miguel Cabrera, Alec Bregman, O'Neill Cruz, rookie for Pittsburgh, John Gray, Mitch Haniger, and Matt Manning for Detroit. We have Jake Cronenworth for San Diego, Zach Short, rookie for Detroit, Kevin Gossman for Toronto, and Lance Lynn for the White Sox. Oops, that was Logan Gilbert for Seattle, Justin Verlander for Houston, Bryce Harper for Philly, Ernie Clement, rookie for Cleveland, there's Adam Wainwright for the Cardinals. There's the 1987 insert of Mike Trout for the Angels. Then Fernando Tatis for San Diego, Cole Calhoun to Texas. I don't think we've sold very many Ben Baller packs yet. Emmanuel Rivera, rookie. But we got a blue coming up here. There's Eloy Jimenez. Framel Reyes for Cleveland. And our blue for the Rays, it is Vidal Brujan on the 87. That is going to be out of 20 or 75, 10 out of 75 on the blue. Vidal Brujan. Again, that's the 1987 insert. Rookie there for Tampa. There's a link for 20% off the remaining spots in tonight's break, plus links to Wednesdays and Thursday spots as well. There's Luke Williams, rookie. Austin Meadows, Yohan Moncada, Ketel Marte. Oh, we got another blue coming up. Jose Ramirez, Jed Lowry, Willie Castro. And this is going to go to Houston. As Chas McCormick, rookie blue. And these are the 75. This is going to be 41 out of 75. Chas McCormick. So right now we got 3 packs left. If there's no more numbered parallels, Chas McCormick would be the guess. I'll set this aside. So far, this is the last numbered parallel. We may have more in here. I'm not sure how many total we've had so far. We have Kyle Schwarber, Jeff McNeil, Zach Pop, rookie for the Marlins, Arenado for the Cardinals. We got the Corbin Burns from Milwaukee, Freddie Freeman, Joe Musgrove, Matt Verling, rookie, and our last pack here. And up next is Stadium Club. Then we'll follow that up with the Don Russ Elite Football. Oh, we got another one of the die cuts, it looks like here. Juan Soto. Another Juan Soto. Back-to-back Juans. Going to Washington. Josiah Gray. Going to Washington. And then we got Aaron Judge. And that's going to be the base. So Chas McCormick was our guest of this break. Let's do a recap here. There is an updated schedule in the chat as well. So if you guys want to know what breaks we'll be breaking and when, got that listed there. There's the Judge Diamond. Here was our last number parallel. It was Chas McCormick, rookie blue. That was out of 75, 41 out of 75. We had the Vidal Brujan 87 blue out of 75. That was 10 out of 75. Zach Greinke green out of 99, 58 out of 99. Tristan McKenzie on the green out of 99, 76 out of 99. Haven Smith was gold out of 50, 38 out of 50. The riding low insert Mike Trout going to the Angels. And then we have the Julio Rodriguez diamond out of 99, 11 out of 99.